watching. Keep watching. What's up, my J. Coke? I'm back in another video, and it's your girl J. And I'm back at it with a vlog, as you can tell by the title. Okay, we got Dingsco. We got Splash.
Boy, Chris.
Okay, anyways. We got Julie.
Hey, what's going on?
And then we got Abby.
Hi.
And
No, we're fucking lit. Hey, we're fucking lit.
anyways, we're going to Katie. We're going to this like furniture place or whatever.
We need to press record.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're on our way. Let's see.
Damn, Abby.
Y'all there.
I just sit my shit down, let it run.
What about you?
This tripod ain't bad.
I know, I still use it. I'm still gonna use it though. Why you didn't put it on?
I just use it. Coronavirus.
Like the bed? Currently in the mirror.
So this is the master
Drip check.
bathroom right here.
Drip check. You know.
So this is the master.
Just down. Okay, so we're at Ikea or whatever, and they got a whole bunch of bedrooms and stuff. And we're looking at this. This kitchen is nice.
It keeps going.
The refrigerator. This is nice. It's nice. Yes. Y'all like this?
This is my kitchen table. Don't mind the tiles at the bottom of it.
It was too late.
Bro.
Beautiful.
My front door.
Wanna fight? I wanna tussle. Yeah, like
It wouldn't do that.
It wouldn't.
No way.
How would your style be?
Give me right here.
Right here. Oh yeah, this would be nice for some pictures. Behind the scenes. How the bathroom look? Does it look nice?
Okay, what would you put for a picture right here, Jay?
A picture of me?
You put a picture of yourself right there too?
Yes, to be
okay,
like,
I didn't want to say. I didn't want to say I put myself right there because I be like, I feel like that's weird as fuck.
No, I'm gonna be off for the. Oh, look at me. For the
Oh God.
Like.
I'm in the closet.
Uh huh.
I come out. I'm gay.
Take me with you. Ikea.
I found it. You trying to take a picture of me right here?
Yeah. Ikea. They're trying to live us.
I knew these things was up to something, bro.
They're really trying to. Why you said that? Why you pull? What you just do?
Oh shit. Oh
They left us. So we're stranded. I think we're gonna be walking tonight. You ready for this workout?
no. So they just left us.
I guess we're walking on the highway tonight.
My phone dead, so I can call an Uber. So we about to have a nice little walk home. Come on, Jordan.
Hey, bro, my feet hurt. This gonna be tiring.
You should end your vlog right here, look. You should end it right here, so we have to walk home.
So we gotta walk home, guys.
No. Just end it right there. Just end it right there, and it's gonna be like. Bitch, it's a video.
Yeah, okay. What about tomorrow? Do you guys have like, is there anywhere I can get a can I get an appointment for tomorrow too? To get here early as fuck and hope
So we at the house. You already know. Yes.
Hey,
So
guys.
that
What's
is
going
the
on?
end of today. How did y'all like today?
I mean, besides having to walk all the way home because y'all left us.
Yeah. We went to Popeyes on the way too. We walked in the driveway.
Yeah, I left. I just
They did
gotta
this-
go.
We was on the
go.
highway. My legs was tired and everything.
Oh,
But
I know, that sucks.
I
It's
fell
okay.
asleep. They finally
Why?
came and picked us up, 10 miles down
You guys were
yonder.
nice.
Down
I mean,
yonder.
we couldn't let
Over
them-
there.
How was that nice if you left us in the first place? But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And without further ado, see you on the next video.
Oh God, you better subscribe.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
And turn on them bells for my little sister. Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. And your girl Jay out. Bye.